Meaning of dyad.
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 Dyad. A dyad refers to a pair of individuals or things, often used in a psychological or sociological context. It is a term used to describe a relationship between two people, which can be either positive or negative. In mathematics, a dyad is an element of a vector space that can be expressed as the sum of two vectors. The term can also refer to a musical composition for two instruments or voices. Overall, a dyad is a simple concept that describes a relationship or pairing of two individuals or objects.